What's up, guys? This is Random P here, and yeah, I got a new Ninjago, guys. This is pretty awesome. Sorry, I haven't been updating any Ninjago videos. I haven't been into it for a while. Then I was just at the Lego store, and I found this Lego Ninjago, and I was like, hey, I've been looking for this for a while, so I got it. Well, this is gonna be an unboxing. So yeah, here. Enjoy the video. Yeah, I was just in the mall, by the way, and I got this. And they're coming out with the Green Ninja Spinner, so I might be doing a review on that too. So just look for that maybe on Monday. Yeah, you can look at my video. I might have a Green Ninja maybe later than that, but that's when it comes out to my Lego store. There's the cards. Go ahead and get those open. And at the mall, we got lots of stuff. Close the door, dude. Hey, my brother, the camera's gonna go close the door real quick. There's the front of the card. The Zane. It's cool. Alright, so this thing open. Oh, there we go. Fresh new cards. There's the NRG Zane. Surprisingly, he has a lot of strength. Spinorama. Look at that. Diamond coated. Looks pretty good. I think that destroys the crown. Crumble to dust. Opponent discards a face-up crown card. And Snowblind is our golden card today. Reduce opponent's ice power by SP 100 until a player wins. So yeah, that's a pretty decent card. Now let's get to the real deal. We have the pieces to Zane. I'll get that out. And he has a new weapon. I have no idea how to build it. Here's these two little golden daggers they come with. And okay, so here's his face. It's really nice. That is a really cool face. I love that. This is my favorite Lego design yet. Out of all the Legos I've seen. Maybe except for Lord of the Rings, but still, this is pretty cool. In fact, this is better than most of the Lord of the Rings. Anyways, I think the knives. He has another one of these chains like he did last time with the booster pack, my last review. And looks like he put it on like this. And then you take the ninja star. And then stick it on there. I don't know, I put it backwards. Sorry. And, hold on. Dagger. Yeah, I really don't know how to put this together. I'm going to read the directions. So, looks like, oh, okay, I got this. So you need, let me put the camera down, I'll be done. Sorry. Okay, yeah, I figured out how to do it, guys. I'm really sorry about that. Okay, yeah, here's the weapon. There it is right there. So you can see there's a ninja star. I'll give you a little more light. Ninja star with a knife. A little golden dagger, you know. Then here's an extra ninja star for a piece. And here's an extra dagger for the piece. And then for the second weapon, we have an ordinary silver katana. Yeah, there's nothing really new. And let's just try out the or let me show you him all. There. And then he also did come with the scythe for some reason. I have no idea why, but I was kind of confused because that's kind of Cole's weapon, you know. And it's kind of like an ice scythe. You should build it. I saw it on the box, so that's a little cool. I mean, I thought I was kind of copying Cole though. There it is right there. It's exactly the same, but it just looks different colors. And well, the spinner and the Green Ninja, yeah, it's gonna come out, and yeah, just look for that video, so that should be coming in soon. And here's the really detailed spinner. You know, the little ice details on it. That's cool. Then the crown. It's shiny. It's kind of like all the other ones, but it's grayish. Oh, I don't remember how to put these on. There we go. Okay, now the attachments. This is really cool, I thought, because it's like a clear white little spinner piece at the bottom. And then this is for this is just the card holder. What I thought was cool though was if you use these for little props on your little spinner. And I think it looks really cool. Let's try out the spinner. Alright, so here's our scythe. I'll find it later. Anyways. Oh, here it is. It blended in with the card. Alright. So we're going to try this. Like, what the? Oh, there we go. Looks pretty awesome, guys. That's the best looking Lego I've had yet. It looks like the main one. Well, guys, that's the end of my video. Hope you guys liked it. I mean, I know I've been a little lazy, like not making Ninjago videos. I just really hadn't been up to getting these yet. I just saw it and I thought it was pretty cool. So, well, I hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I really need subscribers, guys. Can't get sub for sub, so just please try. Well, thanks, guys. See ya.